score 15-6 from Park Avenue, Will.
All right, Will!
He already got a medal from that. Second with a score of 14-8 from Tag, Robert.
Robert, you already got one.
Third with a score of 14
Robert, you already
from
got
Osmar, John. Fourth with a score of 14-1 from Tag, Michael. Fifth with a score of 13-8 from Park Avenue, Adris.
Andres.
Sixth place with a score of 13-6 from Fort Eclipse, Caleb. Seventh with a score of 13-5 from Tag, Brooke. Eighth place with a score of 12-7 from Bob Sierra, Sebastian. Good. And these are your floor champions. Men salute. Next we have